Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the raw range into a proper table and opening Power Query. This avoids fragile cell formulas. Once done, focus on the single column that contains names, addresses, and possible mobile numbers. You will extract digits only. Make sure the column is selected and that you disabled automatic type changes. From here, you will create a deterministic transformation, no guessing, so the process is repeatable and safe for large sheets. Now you'll make a digits-only column so formatting noise disappears. Add a custom column and use text. Select your column 0, 9 to retain digits. Once done, add another column that takes the last 10 characters of that digits field text. End, and then filter to keep rows where that result has length 10. This isolates standard mobile numbers even when country codes or punctuation existed before. It's deterministic and fast for thousands of rows. Finish by keeping only the 10-digit column, removing duplicates, and setting its data type to text so leading zeros are preserved. Then close and load back to Excel. Validate by spot-checking several rows and using conditional formatting to highlight non-10-digit results. If results miss numbers with country codes, make sure to take the last 10 digits instead of the first. If some numbers are shorter, check for OCR or spacing issues in the source and rerun the text. Select step after cleaning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.